Hi, this is Rebecca Lee teaching from Maybe It's Mercury, teaching people how to detox from heavy metals without getting hurt. In my expensive liberal arts education, I rarely took any science classes, and my knowledge of biochemistry coming into this was zero. I had to start from scratch with everything I learned. If someone with a more technical education would like to modify what I've written here, that would be great, but this is what I've understood so far. The systems that run the body are fearfully and wonderfully complex, particularly the chemical messaging system with which Mercury can so profoundly affect. The brain is constantly testing the blood for this and that, then sending chemical messages to the hormone-producing glands. This molecule is too high, it tells them. Cut a bit back on that hormone. Tell that cell to produce this enzyme to instruct that chemical reaction. The messages are zipping and zapping back and forth from the brains to the cells. The cell walls have all kinds of little pumps and passageways and docks that allow things that are supposed to go in, and things that are supposed to come out, out. Mercury sticks to sulfhydryl groups, which are present on the cell membranes, and damages them. These membranes get damaged because mercury is so oxidative. When the membranes are damaged, sometimes the chemical messengers that are supposed to make things happen can't get in to do their job. Mercury can seep into the cells through diffusion or osmosis when it is in its fat-soluble form. Once inside the cell, it transforms into its water-soluble form and gets stuck. So as well as damaging the outer membrane, mercury can oxidize those membranes inside the cells that keep important structures in place. It can damage DNA too, which can cause cancer. Another thing mercury does is deactivate the enzymes that the cells produce and that make chemical reactions happen. Many enzymes have an ion of magnesium or zinc in their active site. It is that ion in just the right place that allows them to do their job, making important chemical reactions take place, such as breaking down food in your digestion or breaking down toxins in your liver. Magnesium, for instance, makes 300 different enzymes work. Mercury has a higher affinity for the sulfhydryl groups that keeps these ions in place in the enzyme. When it comes along, it kicks the magnesium or zinc out of the enzyme and deactivates it. A lot of the messaging system in mercury toxic people does not work properly because of this. This is one reason we counsel people to supplement high doses of magnesium and zinc, because mercury is causing enzymes to lose them, and it is why we tell people to take so many antioxidants to put out the oxidative fires that mercury is causing everywhere. This messing with the cell membrane is also behind how we evaluate hair tests for mercury. We are looking for unusual patterns in the essential elements because that is the footprint of mercury messing with how minerals pass back and forth across the cell walls. Only mercury is so prolific in how it causes what Cutler identified as deranged mineral transport. He developed his counting rules to apply to hair tests to look for the situation that only mercury causes. Mercury in your system messes up the processes that are designed by nature to work well and move smoothly. It will not kill you right off. You will rather live a long and miserable life of chronic illness, missed opportunities, unsatisfactory relationships, and financial difficulties, as Andy so gently put it. Perhaps you are living that way now. It is not normal to be miserable. Nature did not design your fabulous body to keep you miserable. Chelate this stuff out and let your body, to its great relief, start working properly again. So please like and share and comment too on my information.